In this quick video, I'm going to share with you how you can factory reset your HomeBase 2. What you need to do is this. From the back of the product, you're going to locate the reset button, and it's going to be right here, next to the sync alarm off. So what you want to do is you want to take a pinhole, you want to take I don't know, a paper clip, or just something small that you can insert it there. And what you want to do is just have it connected to your just have it plugged in. And then what you want to do is you want to press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds. In the moment when you see a red light blinking, you're going to take it out. And then what you want to do is that you just want to wait for about 1 minute, and the red light is going to change to the blue, and then you can just connect it. And that's it. This is how we're going to reset the HomeBase 2, and I hope it gave you value. So first, you're going to have it plugged in, everything. And then you just want to press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds. You're going to see a red light. You're going to release it. And then you're just going to wait about 1 minute when the red light blinking is going to change to blue. Have a great day and goodbye.